In this video, we're going to talk about how to add Short Hills Design to your Google Analytics account. So navigate to analytics.google.com and you'll see a screen like this. So over here, what we're going to do is you're going to come down here to the admin area. And if for some reason you don't see that main area, you can always come here to home, but you'll come here down to where it says admin at the bottom. And then over here, you're going to see account settings, account access management. So let's click account access management. And we're going to come over here. You can see already who's part of the account. Let's go to add user. We're going to add shorthillsdata@gmail.com. If you want to add somebody else, who's also, part of your team or that you want to have access to the data, you could do it here as well. Let's add me again. Okay, and it'll go this color to make sure that it's happy with it. If you were to do this, blah, 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 it's going to say, wait, that's not an email. Notify them by email, that's fine. Administrator, and then click add. And now on our end, we'll get an email that invites us to the account. And now we have admin access to do what we need to do. Of course, you should always maintain admin access as well because it is your account. If you have any questions, let us know.